You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and this name, more importantly, correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced and clarify those pronunciations, I've got more videos you'll want to listen to. British English pronunciation. Kirsty, a Scottish diminutive for Christine, generally. Kirsty, in American English, it's generally pronounced as Kirsty. Kirsty. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.